doon. Sila yung naglalaro doon eh. Dito kayo maglaro for players yun. Ano? Kuya Mac Marasigan and Kuya Marlon Marbero. Thank you to our major sponsors, Mang Efren Homemade Food Products by Mr. Efren Senya, Artist Sportswear by Mr. Mike Vilay, Mr. William Kim Ponce, Tokwa Party Garage by Mr. Dennis Abba, Bad About Baking by Mrs. Madeline Reyes, Chip and Dip Wong by Mr. Alvin Abba, and also sponsor of our official ball, Houston Evolution. Balaboy Bucket Wars Motorshop by Mr. Jay Kipos. Carlos Travel Insurance by Mr. Aldino Castro. Gorilla Bodybuilder Fitness by Mr. Richard Morira. Better Option Sexual League by Mr. Dean Golario. Metro Muscle Gym and Fitness by Mr. Jason Siga. Razor Works, Pateros Pagig and Asi Branch by Mr. Ranjet Domingo Alif Ulo. Ceremonies, Alaga, Las Vegas. Mr. Terry Sanas and Marina Blanco Sanas. Paul Yerra, Yasa Cabello and Mike Florentino. Thank you, Team Rizal Bowlers and Team Dixie Burger. Jack Nashon, Julius Maglikawan, Powell June, Michael Lam. The team Ali Wu. Again, for the team Ali Wu, they will meeting Jonathan Sandiasa, Jack Nashon, Julius Paglikawan, Powell June, and Mr. Michael Lam. The team Ali Wu. This is our solid MSC bowlers. And to our team JSW Hoopers, Sean Carlos Cortez, William Tang, Lucho Gavieta, Jeremiah Bogaita, Mark Ratanas, and Elvin Garchola. Team JSW Hoopers. Pwede po kayo sumama, Coach? Always remember, give respect to our officials, co-players, and committees. Coming soon, we will have a one-day league after our MSD Basketball Season 3. Let's start our first quarter. Paglikawan, Gavieta Turetanan, no good. Rebound by Julius Paglikawan. Pass to Joseph Yasa. No good. Rebound by Mark Ratanan. Pass to Bongaita. To William Tang. William Tang to Ruzo Gavieta. No good. 2 points for Ratanan. Now pass to Joseph Yasa. To Michael Lam. For 3 points by Michael Lam. 3 versus 2 points in favor of the team Ali Woods. Bongaitan pass to William Tang. To Gatcholian. No good. Outside ball. Michael Lau. Outside ball. Bongaita, Casio Gavieta. Traveling. Job Sadiasa. Kasu Powell June. To Paglikawan no good. Rebound by Cow. Rebound by Margaret Hanan. Pass to William Tang. William Tang for 2. 4 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Jose de Asa. Steal by Gavieta. Pass to Fabio. Follow Jude. Pass to Patrick Kawan. Pass to Michael Lau. No good. Rebound by Red Tanan. To Boga Ita. To Rujo Gavieta. Pass to William Tam. No good. Rebound by Michael Lau. Pass to Patrick Kawan. First personal foul. Julius Paglikawan of the team Alice Wood. Bonga Itan. Pass to Red Tanan for 3 points. 9 points for the team JSW Hooper. Julius Paglikawan. Zach Nashon. 5 points for the team Ali Wood. Boga Itan first personal foul. No good. Rebound by Powell June. Pass to Julius Paglikawan. Julius for 2 points. 7 points for the team Ali Wood. Rebound by Margaret Tanner, pass to Rujo Gavieta. No good. First personal foul. Zach Nashon of the team Ali Wood. No basket for Margaret Tanner. One basket for Margaret. 10 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Chase 5. Hadlikawan of the team Ali Wolves. Free throw from William Tan. No basket. One basket from William Tan. 18 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Another one basket from William Tan. 19 points for the team JSW Hoopers. First personal foul. Sean Cortez of the team JSW Hoopers. They believe pass to Julius Hadlikawan. Steal by Rundo Gavieta. Hadlikawan pass to Dave Buliti. Steal by Gatchalian. Gatchalian for 2 points. 21 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Official score: 21 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 13 points for the team Ali Wolves. Back to the podium.
Yung gitna nila, post, ano? Mga post na sa gitna, oy! Angat, angat!
Joseph Yasa pass to Julius Hadlikawan. To Michael Lau. 3 points by Michael Lau. 16 points for the team Ali Wolves. 56 seconds. Backward pass to William Tan. Steal by Zach Nashaw. Joseph Yasa. 40 points by Joe. 18 points for the team Ali Wolves. Cortez pass to Gavieta. To Backward. Backward for 2 points. 23 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Gavieta. Bola daw, bola. Pakiabot. First personal foul. William Tan on the team JSW Hoopers. Steal by Gatchalian for 2 points. 25 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Buliti is close. 6 seconds. Gavieta pass to Baku. Baku, Lawrence for 2 points.
Aing.
Sean Cortez. Ano yan? No basket from Zach Nashon. One basket from Zach. 19 points for the team. Ali-oop. Gabriela pass to Bonga Ethan to Cortez. Back to Bonga Ethan to Retana. No good. Michael Lau. Pass to Julius Pagikawa to Zach Nashon. No good. Bonga to Baku to Cortez. To Retana. Back to Baku. Zach Nashon to Pagikawa. Pagikawa. 40 points. 21 points for the team. Ali-oop. Second personal foul. Bonga Ethan. No good. Pass to Sean Cortez. No good. Rebound by Powell June. Diego leading pass to Julius Pagikawa. Powell June to Dave. Diego leading for 2 points. 23 points for the team. Ali-oop. Huwag po kayo na magkasaguhin. Yung mga nasa labas po. 3 points by Sean Cortez. 30 points for the team. JSW Hoopers. Excuse me po, usap po kayo dito. William Tan, Bachelian Coach, usap po kayo. Pagikawa for 3 points. 26 points for the team. Ali-oop. Retanan for 2 points. 32 points for the team. JSW Hoopers. Julius Pagikawa. Steal by Bonga Ethan. Tubaku for 2 points. 34 points for the team. JSW Hoopers. Pagikawa pass to Powell June to Michael Lau. Michael Lau to Zach Nashon. Ganchalian. Agabieta.
Ilan yung ilan?
First personal foul. 2 points for Zach Nashon. 28 points for the team. Ali-oop. Sean Cortez. Pass to Jeremiah Bonga Ethan. Back to Sean. To Jeremiah. No good. Rebound by Baku for 2 points. 36 points for the team. JSW Hoopers. Pagikawa to Pau. Back to Julius. Jeremiah Bangaitan pass to Mark Ratana. No good. Rebound by William Tom to Baku. Tom to Baku. Time out daw.
Sino yun? Foul.
Kuya Max, sino foul? Kuya Max, sino foul? First personal foul, Michael Lau of the team, Ali Wu.
Eh, dong!
10 kasi ito, 10.
Magka-training sila sa'yo, Kuya Max. Points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 29 points for the team Ali Wu. Free throw from Lawrence Baku, no basket. Rebound by Zach Nelson, pass to Powell June. To Michael Lau. To Julius Paglicawa. Bangaitan to Retanan to Baku. Baku for 2 points. 38 points for the team JSW. Powell June to Zach Nelson. Zach to Paglicawa for 2 points. 31 points for the team Ali Wu. No good. Rebound by Michael Lau. Pass to Zach Nelson. Back to Michael Lau. No good. Rebound by Zach. To Paglicawa. No good. No good. Jobsa Diasa. Rebound by Gachol Yang. No good. Rebound by Gachol Yang to Baku. 40 points. 30 points for the team JSW. Steal by William Tom, 40 points. 42 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Red Cardinals for 2 points. 44 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Versus 31 points for the team Ali Wu.
Sino time?
Time out by the team Ali Wu. Coming soon, one-day league of MSD basketball, season 2. After MSD basketball league season 2. Both teams, no time out. Paglicawan to Nelson to Job. To Michael Lau. Michael Lau, no good. Rebound by Gachol Yang. To Retanan. Retanan for 2 points. 46 points for the team JSW. the team JSW Hoopers. Zach Nelson pass to Dave leading. Steal by Red Tanan for 2 points. 50 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Zach Nelson pass to Julius Baglikawan. Outside ball. No timeout for both teams. Bunga Idan pass to Tan. Gatchalian to William Tan. 3 points by William Tan. 53 points for the team JSW. Zach Nashon to Joseph Diasa. To David leading for 2 points. 33 points for the team Ali Wu. 55 seconds. 2 points for Gatchalian. 55 points for the team JSW. And no basket, correction. Okay, correction, no basket. Zach Nashon for 2 points. 35 points for the team Ali Wu. Rebound by Gatchalian. Gatchalian for 2 points. Points for the team JSW. Second personal foul, Lawrence Baku. Free throw from Dave Olimping. No basket.
Ito pagdalay mo bola, last shot.
1 basket from Dave Olimping. 36 points for the team Ali Wu. Lawrence Baku. Bunga Idan. 8 seconds. William Tang pass to Lawrence Baku. No good. No, not counted. End of second quarter. In favor of the team JSW Hoopers with 55 points versus 36 points for the team Ali Wu. Coming soon, one-day league of MSD Basketball after MSD Basketball League Season 3. One-day Basketball League Season 2. Our one-day basketball league is open to our MSD Ballers Cup Paris every Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. Meron po tayong water sa labas sa blue container. Back to the body. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Michael Lau, pass to Julius Kamikawa. To Joseph Jasa, no good. Rebound by Lawrence Taku. To Gavieta. To Jeremiah Tubaku, outside ball. David leading pass to Paglinkawa. To Powell Jude. Rebound by David leading 42 points. 38 points for the team. Ali Woods. Gavieta pass to Bonga Ita. To Sean Cortez. Steal by Michael Lau. Pass to Jobs Yasa. Jobs 40 points. 40 points for the team. Ali Woods. Back up pass to Sean Cortez. To Bonga Ita. Retana to Gavieta, no good. To Sean Cortez. No good. Time out by the team, JSW Hooper. Official score, 55 points for the team, JSW Hooper. Versus 40 points for the team, Ali Woods. Coming soon, One Day Basketball League Season 2. Michael Lau pass to Julius Kamikawa. To Powell Jude. 42 points by Powell Jude. 42 points for the team. Ali Woods. Sean Cortez pass to Rujal Gavieta. To Jeremiah Bonga Ita. To Lawrence Backwood. Back to Gavieta. Retana pass to Lawrence Backwood to Retana. No good. Rebound by Michael Lau, pass to Jobs Adiasa. Rebound by Michael Lau, no good. Two points for the team, Ali Woods. Third personal foul, Sean Cortez of the team JSW Hoopers. Free throw from Michael Lau. Rebound by Gavieta. Pass to Retana, no good. Rebound by Michael Lau. Pass to Julius Kamikawa. No good. Rebound by Lawrence Backwood. Steal by Powell Jude. To David leading to Joseph Diasa.
Number 2, technical for club. Simple tayo, one shot.
Thank you, Kuya Ma. Substitution. In Gatchalian out, Bonga Itan. Substitution. In Zach Nation out, Dave Kuliti. Free throw from Joseph Diasa.
Ay, andun. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ano kasi 24 na lang ako. Isaksak mo dyan, kuya.
Joseph Diasa to Paglikawan. To Michael Lau. No good. Rebound by Gatchalian, pass to Red Cannon. Red Cannon for 2. 61 points for the team JSW Cooper. Joseph Diasa pass to Paglikawan. To Zach Nation. No good. Rebound by Gavieta. To Red Cannon for no good. Rebound by Joseph Diasa, pass to Zach Nation. To Michael Lau. No good. Rebound by Lawrence Baku. Red Cannon to Cortez for 2 points. 63 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Substitution. William Tam in, out, Rujel Gavieta. Joseph Diasa pass to Julius Paglikawan. Julius for 2 points. 50 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Ali Oops. No good. Rebound by Red Cannon to Sean Cortez. No good. Rebound by Paul Jude. Steal by Gatchalian to Red Cannon. Outside goal. Official score. 51 points for the team Ali Oops versus 63 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Powell June 40 points. 53 points for the team Ali Oops. Lawrence Baku to William Tam. No good. Baku to William Tam. No good. Outside ball. Red Cannon pass to Baku. Back to Red Cannon. For 3 points by Red Cannon. 66 points for the team JSW. Outside ball. Gatchalian. Outside ball. Powell June. Pass to Paglikawan. Paglikawan for 2 points. 55 points for the team Ali Oops. Back and pass to William Tam. 59 points for the team JSW Hoopers. 43 seconds. Zach Nashon. To Michaela. No good. Rebound by Margaret Hanan. To Williamson. No good. 2 points for Margaret Hanan. 71 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Lau to Zach for 2 points. 57 points for the team Ali Cruz. 11 seconds. Mark Retanan to Williamson. No good. End of third quarter in favor of the team JSW Hoopers with 71 points versus 57 points for the team Ali Cruz. Thank you our latest sponsors. Mr. William back to the bowling. Fourth quarter. Julius Paglikawan has today leading to Michael Lau. No good. Rebound by Margaret Hanan. Pass to Rosel Gavieta. Pass to Margaret Hanan. No good. Rebound by Julius Paglikawan. To Jobsa Diasa. Rebound by Gavieta. To Williamson. To Retanan. No good. Rebound by Michael Lau. Pass to Powell. Drew. Rebound by Pau for 2 points. 59 points for the team Ali Cruz. Williamson pass to Bonga Itan. To Gavieta. Back to Williamson. To Gachalian for 2 points. 73 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Julius Paglikawan. 3 points by Julius Paglikawan. 62 points for the team Ali Cruz. Gaviota to Gachalian. To Bongaita. No good. Rebound by Powell June. Steal by Bongaita. Pass to Williamson. Williamson, no good. Rebound by Gachalian. No good. Rebound by Michael Lau. Steal by Bongaita. No good. Rebound by Damon Litty. To Julius Paglikawan to Job Sandiasa. Rebound by Damon Litty. No good. Rebound by Job Sandiasa. Rebound by Gavieta. Pass to Retanan for 2 points. 75 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Paglikawan to Job for 2 points. Third personal foul. Jeremiah Bongalita. Free throw from Job Sandiasa. Official score 75 versus 64 in favor of the team JSW. One basket from Job Sandiasa. 65 points for the team Ali Cruz. Gachalian pass to Williamson. To Jeremiah Diasa. No good. Rebound by Gatchalian. No good. Michael Lau, second personal foul.
Sino tayo?
Timeout by the team Ali Oops. Official score 78 points for the team JSW Hoopers versus 65 points for the team Ali Oops. Coming soon, One Day Basketball League Season 2. For inquiries, please message MSD or Marcus Duano MSD Basketball. Back to the ball game. Free throw from Gatchalian. One basket from Gatchalian. 79 points for the JSW Hoopers. Another one basket from Gatchalian. 80 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Paglikawan to Jack Nashon. To Jose Diasa. Rebound by Bonga Itan to William Tom. William Tom for 2. 82 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Jack Nashon pass to Dave Uliti. Steal by Gabrieta. Pass to William Tom. Gatchalian for 2. 84 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Foul due to Paglikawan. Zach Nashon 40 points. 67 points for the team Ali Oops. Gatchalian pass to William Tom. Points for Bonga Itan. 86 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Paglikawan to Dave Uliti. To Paglikawan to Zach Nashon. Steal by Bonga Itan to Baku. No good. Baku with 40 points. 88 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Third personal foul, Lawrence Baku of the team JSW Hoopers. Julius Paglikawan pass to Jose Diasa to Zach Nashon. Substitution, Igor Tanan and Cortez. Out, Bonga Itan and Gabrieta. Second personal foul, Rugel Gabrieta. Oh, sayang. No basket. Rebound by Gatchalian. 2 points by Gatchalian. 19 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Zach Nashon. First personal foul, Gatchalian from team JSW Hoopers. Free throw from Zach Nashon. One basket from Zach Nashon. 68 points for the team Ali Oops. No basket. Rebound by Powell, shoot for 2 points. Julius Pagithawan. No good. Rebound by Baku. To Retanan. Retanan for 2 points. 92 points for the team. JSW Hoopers.
92 lang.
2 points
Wala, Dre!
for Ali Hughes. Sean Cortez pass to William Tom. To Lawrence Baku. For 3 points by Lawrence. 95 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Michael Lau pass to Zach Nashon. To Dave Oliki. To Powell Drew. No good. Rebound by Lawrence Baku pass to Williamson. Last 2 minutes.
Wala, Dre! Wala, Dre!
Dave Oliki, no good. Rebound by Zach Nashon. Zach Nashon for 2. 74 points for the team. Ali Wu. William Tam to Sean Cortez, no good. No good. Rebound by Pagithawa. 1 minute and 17 seconds. No good. Rebound by Powell Drew. No good. Rebound by Gatchalian. Pass to Williamson. No good. 2 points for Sean Cortez. 97 points for the team JSW Hoopers. Another 2 points for team JSW. 99 points for team JSW Hoopers. Rebound by Gatchalian. Pass to Williamson. To Sean Cortez. 3 points by Sean Cortez. 102 points for the team JSW Hoopers. 18 seconds. No good. Rebound by Powell Drew. No good. No good. And the fourth quarter. Congratulations to our team JSW Hoopers with 102 points versus 74 points for the team Ali Wu. What a nice game.
Baca ko lang. Tanong ko. Gitna para yung
Our best player for our second game, Mark Retanan of the team JSW Hoopers. Please come in front, Mark Retanan. Pera po ng bola. Mark Retanan, best player for our second game.
Zero 916